Hey yo, this is Kittens Play, and today, well, um, what are we gonna do today? I don't know. How about let's talk about my uncle's cat, Chance. I know this is just a photo I found on the internet and printed, but that's exactly what he looks like. He's a gray and white cat, and his name is Chance. I don't know what type of cat he is. But today we're going to talk about him. Number 1, his bites are so cute. Number 2, he pounces whenever we play with him. Number 3, he licks people. Number 4, he likes to play a lot. I know, right? So cute! But I have to pay $20 rent for him. But no, the cat's name is Chance. The cat is. But yeah, so that's my uncle and aunt's cat. Oh, 1 second, Mother. So yeah, and I have a kite on my wall. Yeah. Okay. So, like I said, kittens play. Kittens play. That's all for today. Wait. Cat party first.